What's going on YouTube? Your boy, back with another video. And you see the wheels in the background. It's about that time. So yeah guys, if you don't know, this is Spraywrap. It's already on the wheels. I had it on there for 2.5 years, so it's definitely about that time. I say it lasts in between 6 months to about 2 years, so but here's how they looking. Still glossy, but it's just, chipping, so time to hit it up. I was luckily even able to find this because it's not on the Spraywrap website. It's not on Amazon, so luckily I was able to find some on eBay selling 2 cans just for your boy. So yeah, if you guys don't know, it's pretty much like plastic dip, but it's a little bit better, a little bit more expensive too. So plastic dip is sprayable, pretty much rubber. This is sprayable vinyl wrap, so you spray this on, it already has the glossy effect. It's just not peelable, because it's not rubber like plastic dip, so it just flakes off. And plastic dip, it goes on matte. You can apply a glossifier to it to make it glossy, but plastic is easier, to remove since you can just peel it. So, but yeah, enough rambling. About to get straight to it. This is 1 can for these 2 wheels. I guess you're supposed to use a can per wheel, but since I already got, the wheel's still mostly black, I just got to do some touch-ups, so it should work just fine. Shake the can for a minute, and get the straight spraying. I ain't gonna mask off the tire because I tried doing it with tape and the tape wouldn't stick. I guess whatever tire shine I got on there is still on there. So I don't think I masked it off the first time I sprayed them. It was pretty good. Either just flaked off or whatever. But I just got the tire valve stem taped off. Other than that, center cap still in. Let's see how it turns out again. Alright, first coat gotta be light, so let's get straight to it. Should spray good. Alright guys, and as you can see, first light coat. Not too dark, just want to start light. So I don't have too many drips for real. Spray this other one. Alright guys, there we go. First coat spray. They say to wait about 10 to 15 minutes in between drying, so but to give it about, I guess I'll get 15 minutes since I'm not in any sunlight. It's pretty shady out here, so be back in 15 minutes guys. Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes. Time for the second coat. Second coat, you go a little bit heavier for real. Alright guys, second coat. Don't forget to keep your paper towels handy. A little bit of runnage got into the tire. Rim's still good for us. Alright guys, boom, second coat. As you guys can see, looking decent already. See, probably maybe 75% of the can. Still quite a bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry for another 15 minutes. Then probably rotate the tires a little bit, so make sure you get in the area, especially if you got spokes. Make sure you get on each side of the spokes, the outer rim, the main lip of the spokes, then the center cap, the lugs and everything go. Yeah, let that dry. Maybe rotate the tires, then another layer or 2, and maybe lay the tires down flat. Spray the final layer, and then we should be good to go for real, guys. Then we just gotta do the other set of tires. Yeah. But, yeah, from the look of it, looking good. Looking up close, guys. Yeah, it's not bad. Nice. I just love the glossy finish for real. this one. I'm looking at all the spots that that needed a touch up. Seeing how it's laying on those spots. Seems to get pretty good coverage. It is starting to cover it, so I think it's got to do probably a little bit more up there. So I said rotate the tire and maybe hit any angles I might not have been able to hit for real, but it's looking alright. So yeah, guys, it's not a bad process. Just takes a little time, patience, and I guess you gotta know how to spray. Don't be too heavy, or you will get drips. Stay 8 to 12 inches away. If you know how far, 8 to 12 inches away. I think a spray can's about 8 or so inches. So just use a spray can. Tilt it. Let me show you. Tilt it like this, so just maybe like back here spraying. You don't be up too close. All right, guys, about time for the third coat. It's been about another 20 minutes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just rotate the tires, a nice 180, so I can hit any spots I might have missed from the angle I was standing at. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna spray the third coat. Take this can real quick. Okay. Third coat. Alright, guys. Third coat. Kick the can, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Third coat. So boom, another 15 minutes. We got maybe a little bit over a quarter left of the can. So next one's I'll probably lay down, do a nice flat even coat, and then that should be pretty much it for these wheels. I'll probably do another 2 coats for real. So yeah, let these dry, and guys. All right, guys, time for the 4th coat. The last few coats, I'm gonna make sure I lay the wheel down. Alrighty, it's the 4th coat, guys. So let that dry. Boom, lay the wheels down flat. Let's spray the final, maybe another 2 coats, maybe 6 coats total or something. Alright, yeah, guys, we're almost done. First set of wheels. Looking good, guys. Gotta show you guys a close up how it's looking. Alright. Focus in real quick. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Looking great. Just a little bit up top, as I said, I'm gonna lay it down. This is probably how it's laying. It's probably the gravity or whatever. It's probably just pulling so much down there. So, but other than that, nice glossy, clean, full coverage. Full coverage, and this one looks even better. Better, full coverage. Full coverage. So, here, guys, not bad at all, not bad at all. Like I said, I'm not a professional or nothing like that, but you can definitely do it yourself. And I guess it recommends, taping off the wheel, but you guys see, I'm good for real. Since I guess it's black, I guess if you're doing the color, then yeah, but if you're doing black, it should be alright. So I'm gonna let this dry, then I'm laying down, spray the final coats. So yeah, I'm gonna do these, show you guys the finished product. On the car, I ain't gonna show you the other 2 wheels, because it's pretty much the same process. I don't wanna bore you guys. I'm definitely gonna show you guys the finished product though, but I'm gonna finish up these and show you guys how it turns out. It's pretty much gonna be a you know, set. Put them on the car to show you guys. Ain't nothing, like I said, I'm gonna lay the wheels down now. Gloves on. Swivel the camera on around. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Let me spray. Not sure how many coats is left in this table. This might be the last coat. We'll see. Not this last wheel out. That's it, guys. Bam, four coats. One cane, 2 wheels. We all done. So I'm gonna probably let these dry for probably like 20 minutes. Then boom, take them back out to the car for real. Mount them up. We're gonna do the other side. This took about, I wanna say maybe, not 2 hours, maybe like an hour, hour and a half. It's not bad, just gotta do the other side. So about two and a half hour job. Not bad for real. So fourth and final coat, once this dries, I'm gonna show you guys. See you guys in about 20 minutes. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. As you guys see, we got the car flipped around. In the process of spraying the other ones, cause you know I won't be out here all day. So, you know, we got the car lifted up. And bam, here's the other side, guys, all complete and done. As you can see, very clean, very clean. This side as well. Yes sir, back in action, guys. All back black, glossy black. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish up the other set and show you guys the whole 360 of the whip. But it's a work in progress, as you can see. All right, YouTube, you ready for that final reveal? Bam! Here we go, guys. Yes, sir. We right back right. No more patchiness. Yes, sir. We're all good to go now. So yeah, guys, it's the finished product. As you can see, extremely glossy. So covered it pretty good, Can't complain. Sheesh. Oh man, back looking good. Definitely well needed after 2 years. Yup. Back was still a little messed up because how it was previously, but still not, I guess, too bad. The car, but you can only see it up close. So back here, back looking great. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. The process is all done. Took about 2 hours. So as you can see, didn't mask off the tire. So not bad, not bad. So yeah, guys, pretty much it. Until next time.